Today was math. Math is always good. Math is never a waste. So a day well spent. Not sure was the most efficient I could have been, but works good enough. Especially considering the exact circumstances are not very often repetitive. Not expected to be repeated often because kind of exam preparation and so on. So doesn't really matter. I mean, within the norms. The only thing that actually matters is that I'm working 100% on the coding projects, and so far, on average, I am. So that's good enough. Not much to change. Some little improvements here and there. Also, yesterday I did way less than I should have. Wasn't able to focus fully because kind of again the goal was not, as usual, to get to prosecute the top of the world with the things that I'm developing, but to pass an exam, which is way less exciting. So I was having trouble focusing there, and I figured to have a direct repercussions based on metrics I'm measuring on myself daily. So I coded a little thing for that, and I can have a quick fix command on there which generates the list of the fix of the punishments for especially bad numbers in statistics. So the problem is how to enforce it. This time it told me to I'm still figuring out what is the like is the best way and the best things to add there. Today added a condition for sleeping on the floor if I have less than 100 TV in a day, which is like stupid low. So slept on the floor, which is a good enough deterrent and very close one. So, but it did not like that at all. And today I was kind of putting a bit more effort, given no, not the same. Like I had the carrot and the stick, so which is great. I think I naturally structured. Oh no, okay, but I guess I just don't care enough about uni to spend enough effort there by default. So this is apparently a useful addition. I thought it could have diminished my productivity today. I'm still not sure. I could have had worse than usual sleep, but whatever. I'll go through it. The below 100 TV is extraordinary circumstance and only happens if I actually do shit during the day. So having additional repercussions in that case is great, and I will keep that. Again, the problem is enforcement, because on the days where I'm not able to put even a little bit of work, I'm probably not going to be able to force myself to accept the consequences. But again, I'll try to figure something out. Well, I guess the most important thing is that I have a script that does this automatically, so I will have this time to time appear on the eyes, and I will be continuously reminded of how it should be. And over long enough term, this is good enough to actually force correct adaptations, and this is the concept that works with everything. Everything. This is one of the reasons why I'm continuously extending my CI continuous integration pipeline for all projects, because this is a set of properties which is getting expanded, and if the CI pipeline has like a little tiny green arrow next to it, means that all the properties are satisfied and all the code there, no matter how it changes, will still satisfy them. So the code is kind of fluid. The exactitude of implementations does not matter that much, and only the properties that do. And same thing with printing the times of the tests, printing which pipelines went well, which didn't. And the important thing is that I have them be added by default. And by default, when I start a project, half the pipelines are red, and this is inconvenient, not only from the aesthetical standpoint, but from not being able to identify easily whether the other things are passing, because in my snippets, like the most important things like tests or the compilation in the first place will usually be green. I mean, they'll always be green because it's preset. But since I have other like quality metrics, the pipeline altogether will be red. And so to see whether the individual metrics are green or not, I'd have to click on this, do additional actions, and this is just annoying. And since it's annoying, it's it's more easy to do additional work to kind of close quality pipelines, like documentation, like clippy suggestions in Rust cargo. Is it cargo? It's not cargo, it's just Rust. So it's a question about increasing the inconvenience of going the wrong way and decreasing the inconvenience of going the right way. The only thing here, and so now I'll just have more data on the things that went wrong, and it's gonna be easier to fix them. So yeah, that's about it. Tomorrow I will be done with uni stuff, so I'm gonna be able to spend 100% of my time on coding, and I'm so close. You cannot imagine. I am so close. Which I've been saying for like look, 2 weeks at least. But right now I can feel it. Anyways, the most important thing is that the progress is going forward, even if I'm not made an insane progress in quantitative terms on this particular project. I've learned so much, which is honestly the only thing that matters. I have like 7 years of this, of plasticity, so the only thing that matters is to learn enough to have a shot at 4 standard of skill after that. Anyways, see you tomorrow.